Have you ever gazed up at the star-studded expanse of the night sky and felt a profound sense of awe and wonder? Have you ever marveled at the intricate complexity of a snowflake or the breathtaking beauty of a sunset? If so, then you've likely experienced a moment of presence. Presence in these moments, time seems to stand still. Your thoughts quiet down and you feel a deep connection to the world around you. Now, what if I told you that these moments of presence are more than just fleeting experiences? What if they hold the key to a deeper understanding of reality itself? Today, we will explore the concept of presence, its role in shaping our perception of reality and how it can lead us to a more profound understanding of the universe. So join me on this journey of discovery, and let us delve into the depths of presence together. In today's society, we often find ourselves bombarded with distractions. The constant ping of notifications, the pressure to be productive, and the endless scroll of social media can pull our attention away from the present moment. However, it is in these very moments of distraction that we lose touch with the true nature of reality. We become disconnected from the world around us and from ourselves. Imagine for a moment that you are sitting in a quiet room. Your eyes are closed and you are focusing on your breath. Suddenly, a notification pops up on your phone. You open your eyes, and for a moment you're transported to another world. You read the notification, reply to the message, and before you know it, several minutes have passed. You close your eyes again, but this time it's harder to focus. Your mind is still racing with thoughts about the message you just received. This scenario is a common occurrence in our daily lives. We live in a world where distractions are the norm, and it can be difficult to stay focused on the present moment. However, it is precisely in these moments of distraction that we lose touch with the true nature of reality. When we are constantly bombarded with external stimuli, we become less aware of the internal sensations in our own bodies. We stop listening to the soft rustle of leaves outside or the gentle hum of a nearby bee. We no longer feel the sun on our skin or the breeze on our face. As a result, we miss out on the beauty of the present moment and disconnect from the world around us. But it doesn't end there. When we are distracted, we also lose touch with ourselves. Our thoughts become cluttered with the to-do lists, deadlines, and other distractions of daily life. We may find ourselves constantly worrying about the future or ruminating about the past. In doing so, we fail to appreciate the present moment and all that it has to offer. Fortunately, there are ways to overcome this tendency to be distracted. One approach is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It is about observing our thoughts and feelings without getting carried away by them. When we practice mindfulness, we learn to stay grounded in the present moment and appreciate the beauty of our surroundings. Another approach is to simplify our lives. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with distractions, it can be helpful to take a step back and simplify our lives. This might mean cutting back on social media, setting boundaries with technology, or spending more time in nature. By simplifying our lives, we create space for moments of presence to emerge. Whatever approach we take, it is essential to remember that presence is a skill that can be cultivated with practice. It is not something that happens by chance. We must actively make an effort to be present in our lives and appreciate the beauty of each moment. As we cultivate presence in our lives, we begin to see reality in a new way. We become more aware of the interconnectedness of all things and the profound beauty of the natural world. We also become more attuned to our own inner rhythms and the subtle cues of our body and mind. Moreover, presence can bring us a sense of peace and calm in an increasingly chaotic world. When we are present, we are fully engaged in the here and now. We are not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. This can bring us a sense of tranquility and help us navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Furthermore, presence can enhance our creativity and problem-solving abilities. When we are present, our minds are open and receptive to new ideas. We are able to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to problems. This is because presence allows us to tap into our intuition and creativity, which are essential for problem solving. Perhaps most importantly, presence can bring us closer to ourselves. When we are present, we are fully engaged in our own inner world. We are able to connect with our deepest values, passions, and purpose. This can bring us a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction that nothing else can match. It is important to note that presence is not a static state, but rather a dynamic process. It is something that we cultivate and nurture in each moment. There will be times when our minds wander or distractions arise. However, when we notice these moments, we can gently guide our attention back to the present moment without judgment or self-criticism. In conclusion, presence is much more than just a fleeting experience. It is a way of being in the world that can transform our relationship with ourselves, others, and the natural world. When we cultivate presence in our lives, we open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of reality and the profound beauty that surrounds us. So let us embrace the present moment and all that it has to offer. Let us simplify our lives and create space for moments of presence to emerge. Let us practice mindfulness and pay attention to the present moment without judgment. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. If you found this message insightful, don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with friends and family who might also find value in these teachings. Your support means the world to me and helps spread these ideas to a wider audience. Before we part ways, I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll be among the first to access new videos and content that I create. I value your presence here and look forward to sharing more profound insights with you in the future. Until then, I send you warm regards and blessings. May your days be filled with presence, joy, and a deep connection to the rhythm of life. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.